Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. Thank you for 3,000, yes 3,000 subscribers. You guys always inspire me to make more motorcycles videos for you. Thanks for this achievement. So, in this video, we will talk about the new Honda CB750 Hornet 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. If you're looking for a fun, lightweight twin-cylinder motorcycle that looks good and sounds even better, the Honda CB750 Hornet is the one for you. The 2023 Honda CB750 Hornet features an all-new power plant in a chassis with numbers, similar to the Honda CB500F. The power plant for the 2023 Honda CB750 Hornet is a parallel twin with Honda's Unicum top end and a 270-degree crank. It's a short-stroke engine, even shorter than the CB500S motor. As you'd expect, there are 4 valves per cylinder, and it's liquid-cooled, despite being solidly over square and having downdraft air intakes. It's not a particularly big revver. The peak output of 91 horsepower comes at just 9,500 revolutions per minute, with torque making out at 7,250 revolutions per minute, with 55 foot-pound churning. Those numbers are good for a top speed of 127 miles per hour. Honda R&D, Japan. Test project leader Fuyuki Hosokawa had this to say about the all-new power plant. To get the kind of performance and lightweight handling we wanted, we knew we had to develop an all-new short-stroke twin-cylinder engine with a 270-degree crankshaft. This would not only deliver that top-end rush, but also the sporty low-down torque, ideal for riding in urban environments and powering out of corners on the open road. Electronics are up to date, with ride-by-wire as part of the package. Threes are wild on the Hornet. 3 press-it ride modes, 3 traction control levels, 3 engine braking levels, and 3 power output levels. ABS is standard, though nothing fancy. All the settings are monitored on a 5-inch TFT display. The dash also connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone. Honda Smartphone Voice Control is standard. Honda Smartphone Voice Control is an app that allows you to make specific verbal commands that the app will carry out, with the results displayed on the dash. Commands range from looking up addresses to navigation to sending pre-written responses to text messages. The 755cc power is in a chassis that reminds us of the CB500F. The Hornet uses a Showa SFF-BP 41mm fork, as does the CB500F. The difference is the Hornet's version has 0.8 inches more fork travel, and the Hornet also gets more rear wheel travel. Fortunately, seat height is only up 0.2 inches. The Hornet's wheelbase is just 0.4 inches longer than the CB500F. With the rake tucked in a ½ degree and the trail 0.1 inches shorter, wheel and brake sizes are identical. Fuel capacity is cut by a ½ gallon on the Hornet compared to the CB500F. On the scale, the CB750 is just 3 pounds heavier than the CB500F. Honda positions the 2023 CB750 Hornet as a multi-purpose motorcycle. 3 different packs can be added: towing pack, panniers, tank bag, seat bag, quick shifter, fliss screen, seat cowl, upgraded foot pegs, style pack, frame sliders, bar end weights, upgraded handlebar clamp, tank pad, wheel stripes. Although produced by a Japanese motorcycle company, the 2023 Honda CB750 Hornet is a product of Honda R&D Rome. According to Honda R&D Rome leading styling designer Giovanni Dovis, Honda's design philosophy is to create something pure and functional in an uncomplicated way. Models which are both beautifully simple and emotionally appealing. Our strapline to guide the form of the new Hornet was sensual dynamism. It had to be a straightforward street fighter design, just like the original. but we wanted much more aggressive angles and proportions. The silhouette and sinuous muscularity of a cheetah at full speed inspired us with its potency, driven by the obvious power of the new engine. It looks like the Kawasaki Z650, Suzuki SV650, and Yamaha MT7 will have some competition. Hello, American Honda. Bring in the 2023 Honda CB750 Hornet so we can find out what the buzz is about. 2023 Honda CB750 Hornet price: £6,999 manufacturer's suggested retail price. What do you think about the new Honda CB750 Hornet? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.